Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and launching the installer. On your HP, check Windows version and at least 1 GB free disk space. This avoids install failures. Next, open your current browser, Edgeworks, and search for the Chrome installer. Once located, click Download and choose the Windows 64-bit option if prompted. That matches most HP laptops. While the file downloads, make sure no critical apps run so the installer can update system files without conflicts. Now run the Chrome setup. Exe you downloaded. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions. You'll see user account control prompts. Approve them so the installer can write to program files. Installation proceeds automatically and usually takes under a minute. Don't close the window. Once Chrome opens, sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and passwords, or opt for a local profile if you prefer privacy. Finally, set Chrome as default in settings if you want it to open web links. Finish by verifying Chrome is updated. Open the menu, help right arrow about Google Chrome, updates install automatically. If the installer failed or Chrome won't launch, make sure you have sufficient disk space and run the installer again as administrator. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus only if necessary. Once installed, import bookmarks or extensions, and if you encounter crashes, use Chrome's Reset Settings or Cleanup tool to remove harmful software. If problems persist, reboot the HP and try a fresh install. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.